we are here on the roof and want to talk another topic. So it's evening time. It's a joyful moment. I'm enjoying here with my both son. I came here with my both son, as I always do like that. When I come with my both son, I always make vlogs, little vlogs, and it would be 5 to 7 minutes, I think, just to check out my English. I just, because I don't get time to talk to anyone, to go and to do these kind of things, whether where I can polish my English and I can speak this language, so that I don't get much time. That's why I thought, like, when I go on the roof, I just decided that I will say or record myself in English and I will upload it on YouTube and I will watch it later and then I will rectify. I am using this word and that word, like I want to know about myself, where I am standing in this niche, English speaking, or this kind of things. Okay, beta. So he's saying something. Ujjwal, okay, he's playing. Let him play. So you know that that's why I prefer record, and thought that I will record myself, but you know that what happened, my son wanted to talk with me, and here my son is with me. Ujjwal, आपने होमवर्क किया बेटा? होमवर्क किया अपना? क्यों नहीं किया बच्चों? मन ही नहीं है. क्यों नहीं मन बनाना होता है. होमवर्क करना अच्छी बात है ना बेटा? अच्छा, ठीक है ना? हेल्प कर देंगे होमवर्क, नीचे जाएंगे तो, ठीक है? Okay, you know that I was taking class few hours ago, and also I was writing, so that's why I didn't get time to spend time with them, my both children. That's why I came here on the roof. Yes, okay, beta. That's why I came here with my both son. I wanted to spend some precious time with them. That's why I came here, and it's evening time. As I always like this kind of weather, as I'm living in hilly mountain area. So I enjoy that kind of weather always. So I want to ask some questions. You know that what I thought. I was asking the question to my son, like, what do you think about speaking in English? And he said, what happened? Oh, my son is speaking something. Oh, my son, what he said, he said, like, I forgot what I was talking about. I forgot the whole thing. Okay? So yeah, I'm enjoying here. It's evening time. Oh, hi to all of you. I wanted to record myself in the evening. It's a nice weather. My son is here. You also want to say something? Okay.
Say.
Okay, guys. My son Ujjwal, you wanna say something? You wanna say? What's your name? What's your name, beta? What's your name?
His name Jordan.
He's trying to speak in English. And he spoke very well. Isn't it? He spoke very well.
Let me speak. What are you saying?
Oh, look at his confidence.
So guys,
He speaks very well. Yeah. Whatever you spoke, it was very good, beta. Keep it up. At least you are trying something. Like I do. You are always doing like that. You are also doing like that. Like mom, like son. You know that. So we should encourage our children to speak. Okay. He's speaking some breaking language. Let him speak. Let him try to say at least single word like yes, no, and whatever the thing would be, they can use. So I let them say or speak what they get the time or what they get the word, like yes, no, yes, no. I'm Ujjwal.
yes, he been ready.
Yes. So you know that evening time would be, always evening time get us like fresh air. I mean, I'm not. I don't know about your locality, but in my locality, it's a very nice weather. It's cozy, nice weather, and I'm enjoying here.
Look, please.
Okay. So yesterday, you know that my son was asking about why do people in India these days they speak English language? Why they prefer to speak in English language? But because I have learned about the thing like earlier ancient India, like people used to speak English language. Sanskrit and Hindi language. Why nowadays they speak only English language? And why they prefer to speak in English language? And I said him like, yeah, time has changed and everybody wants to speak and learn English, wants to speak to polish their communication, because it's the truth of our society. If you are speaking in English, you would be more eligible, more educated person here in India. It's going trend nowadays. So yeah, but they can't do anything. It's situations arising near us, like when you go somewhere and you say like, okay, आप कहाँ हो, कैसे हो, they would be thinking, oh, that person is must be not educated because he or she speaks in Hindi language. But if you speak like, hi, how are you, where are you from, they would be thinking like, oh, she or he must be more educated or something like that. So even if you have lots of degree but you are speaking in Hindi, you are illiterate person. That's the truth of our society, I tell you. So okay, I want to ask some question. Did you also feel like that, like speaking English and using word is helping us nowadays? And you know, it has become global language, everybody knows, but still some countries are here. Yeah, he wanna ask some question. Yes, what did you say? DJ आ रहा है, नहीं अभी नहीं आ रहा, नहीं आ रहा बेटा. So yes, okay, let's say bye bye to all of you. Bye to all of you. I hope you enjoyed my vlog, and I hope you enjoyed my vlog. So yes, I will upload it definitely on YouTube. Because whatever the time I get, I am using it, I am utilizing it right now. So yes, I have to say bye to all of you and check out my videos and keep on watching. Bye bye guys, bye. Have a nice day, have a nice evening, bye bye.
Bye bye.